2004 corn harvest, Northwest Ohio. What you're seeing is a delicate dance between having enough manpower and equipment in the field that the combines can keep moving, but not enough that they have to sit still and wait. So you'll see they've got this timed out pretty well. The modern combine hopper holds like 400 bushels. But so now, as a young man in the 1970s, working at Oak Harbor Co-op, which is now Lucky Farmers, State Route 19 north of Oak Harbor, north of the tracks, farmers would bring in a wagon that held maybe 75 bushels. A new thing at the time was a metal hopper wagon, just designed for grain, and some of the bigger ones then held 175 or so bushels. So things have changed. You're using a 16-row corn header to harvest 16 rows of corn at a time, which means the field need to be planted with a 16-row planter. So what they're doing in this field, and it could vary from field to field or farmer to farmer, is they're transferring the grain from the combine to this big hopper wagon, and then from the hopper wagon it goes into a semi, and from the semi it goes to the on-farm storage bin. A little confusing if you're not familiar with it.